Welcome to this tutorial on setting up an Axie Infinity Ronin wallet. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game, and Ronin wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store and manage their in-game assets. To get started, you will need to download the Ronin wallet browser extension from the official Ronin website. Once you have downloaded the extension, you will need to create a new wallet by clicking on the Create Wallet button and following the prompts to set up your wallet. You will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that will be used to recover your wallet. In case you lose access to it, it is very important to keep this seed phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to access your wallet and all of the assets it contains. After you have created your wallet, you will need to add the Ronin network to your wallet. This will allow you to interact with the Axie Infinity game and store your in-game assets. To do this, you will need to click on the Add Network button and enter the Ronin network details. Once you have added the Ronin network, you will be able to see your wallet balance and any assets you have stored in it. You can also use your wallet to send and receive assets and interact with the Axie Infinity game. It is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the wallet interface and learn how to use all of the different features. It is also very important to keep your wallet and assets secure. This can be done by using a strong password and keeping your seed phrase safe and secure. You should also be careful when interacting with the Axie Infinity game and only use reputable sources to avoid any potential scams. In conclusion, setting up an Axie Infinity Ronin wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the instructions in this tutorial, you can create a new wallet and start interacting with the Axie Infinity game. Remember to always keep your wallet and assets secure and be careful when interacting with the game.